Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel in Dublin. Today very stormy weather in Kilmore Quay. How you can see, my favorite, the most beautiful beach. No, not my favorite, because my favorite is the Old Bound, but second one, the Kilmore Quay beach. Is very cloudy today, very stormy, and look very dangerous. It's really nice actually. It's 23 degrees, but it's like windy breeze, and it's not really nice to stay on the beach, and everything is so wet as well. But it's very funny, but it's so beautiful, and you can smell the salt from the sea. It's amazing. The main and the most important thing is the fish and chips from the Salted. Salted is my favorite fish and chips here, and I ordered my fish and chips already because you need to wait like half hour. But now, quick walk on the beach before my food will be ready. Very quiet, but actually it's not quiet at all, because I wait for my order 45 minutes. I can't wait to eat. Today I have a squid with pancake bread, super cold. Mostly I ordering salt, but they are out also today. I'm in the marina now, and I will sit and eating, but probably in the car. It's very busy here. Oh, it's cute. Quite a big seal in marina. I'm going to do a few shots. I saw lots of them already, but you know, one more, why not? Okay, I'm super hungry. I will back to my car, eat my calamari or whatever I bought. I forgot already, and yeah, I will be back slowly home. It's very breezy, and this fog what is around is very wet and very cold, and I feel like I'm freezing. Even water and windproof clothes, but shorts don't make me super protection.